Have you ever witnessed the calm power of Norway's fjords? From thunderous waterfalls to snow-kissed mountains, every frame feels unreal. Sail with us through crystal blue waters where orcas rise and the northern skies glow. Explore the silent valleys, wooden villages, and the timeless charm of Nordic life. This is just the beginning. A journey into Norway's natural magic awaits. Watch the full documentary now on our YouTube channel, World Trails TV, your passport to the world.